Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. The main troubleshoot we all face while stitching is this looping stitch, gathered stitch or the skippable stitches. Recently I got so many requests to show that how to avoid all these troubleshoot and to get the normal stitch. अब आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी वर्जन में भी देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक आपके सामने है, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में भी अवेलेबल है। क्लिक कीजिए अमेजिंग एबीसी फैशन चैनल को और देखते रहें लेटेस्ट फैशन और ट्रेंडी वीडियोस को। Normally the problems which we are facing while stitch completely depend upon the fabrics which we have chosen. If you are working with the following fabrics like net, georgette, chiffon, crepe, let me stitch and show you. Normally to hem this we have to give the double fold and give the stitch. Once the stitch is done, we might face this problem of looping stitches towards downside or the stretching stitches like this, or it's also called as gathered stitch or the skippable stitches. Working like so, we don't like to work further. This is the main problem. Let's see the step 1. Check the thread adjustment first. It should be between 2 and 3 for the fabrics like net fabric, chiffon, georgette or the falling fabric. Like if you are working with the stiff fabrics like cotton, kora or more thickness of the fabric, then you have to go between 7 to 8 or up to 9 you can go. This would be the main crucial part so that you would not experience the looping or the skipping stitches or the thread breaking. Now I'd be showing for the net fabric. So the thread adjustment I'd be keeping in between 2 and 3 or up to 3 I said no, so I'd be taking 3, and the step 2 would be the second step is to check the bobbin. If you are getting the looping stitches, then this screw has to make little tight to get the normal stitch. I made little tight. Now I'd insert that bobbin in the bobbin case. To get the gentle normal stitch on the net fabric, I'd be also using a piece of paper. Lay it underneath first, then place the fabric, giving the double fold like this. Now I'll give the stitch along with the paper. This way we'll not get the skipping stitches or the gather stitches. Now slowly tear off the paper. Now you can see clearly the normal stitches without any loops or the skipping stitches, isn't it? Even if you work for the knit fabrics also, you have to try with this simple step of using a piece of paper to avoid all the troubleshoots you are facing to get the normal stitch. I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you like it, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications